Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the detector and validating essentials. Turn it on, check battery level or plug in a 5V USB power bank, and make sure antenna ports are secure. Once done, enable GPS while keeping other radios off to reduce noise. Put phone to airplane mode if using a companion app. Next, insert any SIM or SD card and perform a compass calibration. Place the device flat and rotate 2 full turns. This initial setup prevents false positives and readies the unit for scanning. You now run the active scan and learn how to interpret readings. Choose the correct band like GPS L1 or cellular depending on the suspected device, then start a slow sweep moving 1 to 2 meters at a time. Watch dBm readings and watch for consistent peaks. A steady increase indicates proximity. Once you see peaks, switch to directional mode or attach a high-gain antenna to get a bearing. Move in short bursts towards rising signal strength while pausing to recheck values, so you avoid chasing reflections. You finish by confirming the source and taking action. When you reach the highest signal, pause and inspect common concealments: USB chargers, vents, adhesive mounts, or magnetic cases. Power cycle a suspect item. If the signal disappears, you found it. If the signal persists, isolate by removing power sources or shielding components, then rescan. Make sure to recheck after 5 to 10 minutes and try a different antenna orientation to rule out multipath or reflections. This troubleshooting step catches intermittent or hidden transmitters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.